Good morning. Today I wanted to introduce you to my favorite set of headphones. It's the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro. I've had these for over 10 years now, and I've really enjoyed them. They're wonderful headphones. I can't say enough about how great they sound. I was in Guitar Center and I had $200 to spend. Guy that was there, he was so helpful. He walked me around trying to find out what I needed, what I didn't have, and he'd say, well, do you have this? And he said headphones, and I wasn't thinking about buying a new pair of headphones. I'm thinking, got the Sony, that's all I need. He told me to take these home and try these, and if I didn't absolutely love them, bring them back. Now, the price tag on these was quite high, much higher than I would have ever wanted to spend on headphones. And you can see here, at the time they were $195. I even took his number because I was going to call him when I returned them. But I'll tell you what, I have been using these ever since, and that was 11/24/2014 that I bought these. You can see now that they're a little worn. I use these for everything. I love these headphones. Here, and you can see how well these have worn. The cables are still like the day I bought them. There aren't any frays anywhere. The headset is fine, and these cleaned up really well. Still pliable. I mean, these do not look like a 10-year-old set of headphones. Would I say I got my $195 worth of these? Damn straight. I love these headphones. Okay, so if you're looking to get a new set of headphones, I highly recommend the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pros. I think they have a 990 Pro out now, and when I replace these, that's probably what I'm going to get. So take care, have a great day, and go out and buy yourself a pair of these. You won't regret it.